Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reinstall PeaZip on a Windows computer. For this tutorial, I will only demonstrate the steps. I will not actually uninstall or reinstall PeaZip on my computer. First, open Windows Settings, go to Apps and then select Installed Apps. Search for PeaZip in the search box. Here you can find PeaZip in the list of installed applications. Normally, to reinstall PeaZip, you would first uninstall the existing version. However, I am not going to uninstall PeaZip in this tutorial. I'm only showing you where the uninstall option is. After that, open your web browser. Now go to the official PeaZip website. On the website, look for the download section. Here, you can find the available PeaZip download options for Windows. Select the appropriate Windows version and click the download button. The installer will then be downloaded to your computer. Normally, after downloading the installer, you would open the file and follow the installation instructions to install PeaZip again. Since this is only a demonstration, I'm not going to download or install anything. So the complete process is simple. First, uninstall the existing PeaZip version, then visit the official PeaZip website, download the latest installer, and install it again. And that's how you can reinstall PeaZip on Windows. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.